Hey guys, this is Keith Rainbow here, the Fat Yankee, my friend. So listen, you know what we do, right? At the Fat Yankee, we make beef jerky, guys. That's what we do. Some of my videos have over 300,000 hits, my friends. So listen, how many times have you made beef jerky and you've used a bad recipe and all your beef jerky comes out terrible and you gotta throw it away? How many times have you done that? It's a waste of money. Well, not anymore, my friends. I put 20 of my scratch-made recipes inside the Great Beef Jerky Guide, guys. Tell you how to cook it, tell you how to dehydrate it, to cook it in your oven. 20 recipes. I go through all the steps on how to make your beef jerky, guys. It's all in the guide. But that's not the most important thing. I'm gonna give you exclusive access to my private Facebook group, Craft Beef Jerky Makers, okay? Where a lot of us craft beef jerky makers go and exchange different secrets, guys. There's a tremendous value there to get inside this group, and I'm gonna give it to you free today when you purchase the guide. It's newest, lowest price, guys. Get the guide. I'll see you inside the